Nitrogen pollution from human urine is a significant, mostly overlooked environmental problem. It impacts water, air, and natural habitats.
Inspired by space technology, which recycles nutrients in human wastewater, our project will dramatically reduce these emissions on Earth. VunaNexus is a company that recycles the nutrients that are contained in human urine to make fertiliser. We install small wastewater treatment plants in the basement of large buildings or large urban infrastructure. We extract wastewater from the toilets. The fertilizers can be sold in bulk to farmers. People use it in their homes for their houseplants or their gardens.
In current agriculture, there is a need for nitrogen in fertilizer. And currently we extract nitrogen using a lot of fossil fuels. But nitrogen is also a mineral that is contained in our urine. Currently, we consider this as a waste. So what we're trying to do is recycle it, closing the nutrients loop. I would compare the future of our technology to solar panels. 20 years ago, they were not taken as seriously, and today they're considered normality.
We're a small startup based out of Zurich, a team of 4. And one of them happens to be my sister.
Who has the final say?
As we're Swiss, it's very democratic. I mean, he has final say in business things and I have final say in technical.
We received funding from the European Space Agency, and that supported the first 3 installations of our technology.
We were wondering, why can't ESA be one of these pilot sites? Because we were renovating the ESA headquarters facilities. Because for us that would be a fantastic opportunity to show how ESA can improve the impact it has on the environment.
Currently we have our treatment plants installed in 6 projects, commercial, residential, and we even have an installation in one of the largest private banks in Switzerland.
We treat approximately 8,000 liters of urine per day, which is not ending up polluting our rivers and lakes. Working with the European Space Agency has given us a lot of credibility.
As a small startup, it was really useful to receive all of the coaching and support we received from the ESA team. Our vision is that in the future, most large construction in dense city center will have technologies to recycle nutrients from urine.
I think we can say we are pioneers. We take risks, even though people continue having doubts, but we really believe in the idea.